Protect the furnace at all costs.
Yep.
Yeah, exactly. You need that mana on phase 3.
It needs to be clean, yeah.
Engineer going down, pick up the bones, go.
Get those billows pumping.
Bombs on the ground, go.
Get ranged.
Die, scum.
Get this engineer down, please. The one marked with skull.
Turn up the heat, boys. We'll sweat 'em out.
Who feared them?
Okay, swap side. Furnace engineer with skulls really low.
Just gonna die halfway.
5,
Pop it.
We lost.
Okay, get far away from that furnace, bellowing up range. Make sure you don't die from it to transition. Grab. It's over. Good set, watch it. Okay, so tank, watch the big guy. Kill it quickly.
Move the big guy away from the shield, please.
Good job. Get all the ass down. Get the slack element on near. Okay, get skull. And get ready to nuke.
Guys, don't use seals not necessary. Just regenerate. Yeah.
Go, go. Alright, colors up. Job, good fight. Get the next cycle onto the cloud.
QB, please move to the elementalist with the slag elemental.
QB, it's on you. Move, please. Yep, there. You guys, focus up if it's on you or not. Ready to nuke. Go. New fire colors up. Got it down?
No, we've missed it.
What was up with that? Why? Get the fire
think
colors down,
lots
stack
of
elemental.
5, 4,
It's fine, get the fire colors down and the stack elemental near.
1.
They're even down now. Okay.
One is fixated on me.
Wait, get the fire colors. The fire colors first. Fire colors, guys, cross as well.
Five,
Shield is going down.
3, 2, 1.
Job. Go nuts. Very good recovery. Get the skull. New fire colors.
Five, 4, 3, 2,
Get them down
1.
and get a slack element to near. Get a slack elemental on elementalist, please. There's one really low, get it up. It's on Nevelosa.
Never.
I'm on the slag element. I'm on the boss.
Yeah, it's there. It's good. Good, ready to nuke. Nuke. Nice and clean now, guys.
We need amp. We need
Really
amp.
nuke it. Amp up, go. New fire colors up. Get to the green, nuke the fire color.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on, get back.
Rest
Range,
range,
okay,
rest.
Ank.
Backpop. Rest backpop.
Press him up. One fire color down. If you get melt, place it to the side. Get the last fire color. And get on blue. Iced your melt.
Something.
Very bad melt there. Iced, it even called you out. Move the boss back. But so fine, keep it up. Fine, now stay in the middle, guys, stay in it. Attack on blue if you're ranged, and get the melt on the side.
Give me stack. Taunting in 2.
Stack on blue if you're ranged. Don't be spread out, make it easier for healers.
You're
Melt in the middle, move him back, melt in the middle. Move him all the way past blue, please.
Use your personals and health pots.
Don't.
Move him backwards.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Give me stack. Taunting in 3.
Just keep placing melts on the side. Move around the ranged. Move him backwards, please.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Use your second pots if you haven't yet.
You cool down. Vigil. Don't. Got 3 stacks, man.
Yeah, it's on. It's aggro, yep. Cool down, please. Paints up, paints up. Life cocoon, please. Molly, give me life cocoon.
Good job!
Easy,
All
boys.
fucking time, guys. Jesus.